What's up you guys, it's Alan and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Like you can tell, the previous one and the next one are all done back to back. And for this video I have a pickup from Adidas Originals, like you can see, Neighborhood. Shout out to Manoj for queuing up early in the morning for these at the Good Life Space in Dubai. Ever since I saw it drop, I fell in love. And unfortunately, because I took a call to only buy sneakers that are exclusive or limited, I could not get my hands on a pair prior to this. But then ever since I saw teased images of this variant of the Iniki on Instagram, and I think it's been about 10 months since I saw those images, I couldn't wait to get my hands on them. And when they dropped, my friend Manoj queued up, picked these up for me, and Varuna flew them down to India. Like, when you have friends like these, what else could you need in life? Now let's quickly pop the lid open, and as I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button right there. And if you haven't already, once you see the sneaker and you see how cool they are, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. Let's close this box. Keep the sneakers here. Damn! All that I expected it to be and a lot more. It says Neighborhood right here, and I think this says Brigade. Does it say Brigade? I don't know what it means. I clearly am not doing enough research. But then this is the first Iniki to come with a Primeknit upper. The toe box area and all of it, the entire upper is Primeknit. It's got suede overlays, of course, like this strip right here on the toe box. Isn't it a thing of beauty? Black boost. Incidentally, this is also my first sneaker with black boost on it. An all white outsole. Kind of reminds me of the NMD actually. The boost, the sole itself, the midsole itself is kind of very NMD-ish. Flat laces. On the insides you have the Adidas branding with Neighborhood and the trefoil logo. The tongue is stitched onto the upper, so it's almost like a one-piece construction. It says Adidas and Neighborhood right here on the tongue. It's been stamped, hot stamped, like it's kind of stiff, yeah. And you obviously have your Neighborhood branding. The thing I liked about the sneaker is so minimal, it's so clean and so nice. I just had to have it. I in fact wanted to double up, but then because there's so many hot sneakers dropping every now and then, I decided to just get the one. I'm going to rock them like I do with every other sneaker. And now I'm going to pop this on feed to show you what they look like. I'll see you on the next one. Peace!